स्टार्ट करना। हाँ।
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my lovely sister and brother. Well, today is question round class. Trust me, guys, this class is very beneficial. In this class, we'll learn a lot. We get a lots of knowledge. So please, everyone, listen here and see here. And sir, please ask me question.
Yeah. The very basic and common question is that is English important in our life?
Yes, of course, no doubt. English is very beneficial in our life. In this era, in this world, everyone want to learn English. Why? Because university, college, they provide our syllabus in English language. If you want to go abroad, if you want to go any country, you have to learn English. You have to knowledge of English, that how to speak English. This is very important. If you want to learn computer language is also English. That's it. English is very important in this time.
Okay, good, Mantasa. You are putting amazing answer. Is English important in our life? Next, more important question is education power of man?
Yes, of course, education is power of man. I think both gender, if she is girl, if he is boy, both gender have to get education, because in this time education is very important. Education teach us how to talk, how to sit, how to behave our older children. Education is very important. Education also give us manner
Yeah.
to talk our principal, our teacher, our parents, child. So education is very important.
So this is the most important part. Question is that is money our basic need? Yeah, is money everything?
Absolutely, money is very important for our life. If you want to drink water, you all know that if you have no money, then you can't purchase water. And also, if you want to live a comfortable lifestyle, if you want to live a good lifestyle, then you have to money. If you want to purchase anything, if you want to purchase like cloth, food, cold drink, etc., vegetables, you have to money. Then you buy anything. So money is our basic need.
Okay, good, nice. That's a great answer, ladies and gentlemen. Are you getting? Okay, next question is that is fruit beneficial to health, Mantasha? You have to answer.
Of course, fruit is very beneficial for our health. Fruit have minerals, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, B. Fruit have all nutrition that a human need. If my favorite fruit is mango, and you know mango is very beneficial. Mango have vitamin C, mango have iron that is very healthy for our health. And in summertime, watermelon is very beneficial, because watermelon have 99% of water. That is very important and very helpful for us.
Yeah, mango, this is king of all fruits. Actually, most of the people, majority like the mango. Some people, they are eating 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Game play important role in our life, Mantasha? This is also very attractive question.
No doubt, game is very important for our life. Our life, you know, if you play game, if you play a game like kabaddi, hockey, cricket, it is very beneficial for our health, for our mental or physical health. This is very important.
Yeah, so physically, mentally, we can enjoy, we can less, we can down, we can overcome actually our pressure, hesitation, stress by playing game. And this is the best activity to maintain, to fit ourselves. That's why also more important playing the game. Okay, one more question. Our half-life, Mantasha.
Of course, no doubt, water is our half-life. If we did not eat food, then we live. But if we did not take a glass of water, then we can't live. Every human want water. Like every creature want water. Like tree, animal, human. We need water. Water is our half-life. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Very good. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think that you are getting, you are observing, you are feeling actually what is running, what is going on here. Actually, we are practicing here very basic and common practice. This is the step number 1, where you can open, where you can finish your hesitation by answering few lines, any one topic. Actually, how you can say one sentence, how you can translate, how you can transform yourself by selecting any one topic. This is the very easiest and simplest way to learn, to improve, to start, to groom, to boost, to begin your journey, your campaign of English, your mission of English. Actually, everybody, they want to learn, they want to start, they want to become a great public speaker. That's why you all guys coming here, and also lots of people from our country, they are coming here. Actually, most of the people, majority, they are facing problem to learn, to start, to know, to speak publicly. This is the great question, very nice, unique question, ki how we can have full command, 100% guarantee I can speak anywhere English language publicly in front of the camera. This is effective, attractive na job, very challenging, daring and dareful job for all people. Ki how can we face, how we can encounter ourselves. This is a great competition, this is a great racing world. Ki how we can talk, how we can connect people publicly, how we can deal, how we can connect, how we can attract, how you can interact people, audience who are sitting before you. This is the idea, this is the technique. Actually, we are coming here, we want to learn here. So definitely I am damn sure you can gain, you can learn. There is no shortcut, only one thing you have to follow. This is the practice. Practice is the key to success. Practice is the key to improve yourself. Practice is the key to develop yourself. Practice is the key to improve, to get idea, to perform anywhere in this universe, in this Brahma. This is the good, wonderful idea, technique. Now you try to practice, you try to learn. So tell me guys, will you practice?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to practice?
Yes,
The same activity you have to repeat at your home when you get free time. Now next day you come here, you attend this class, so you have comfortable, you have confidence yourself, how we can talk, how we can speak. So will you do? Do you promise?
Yes, sir.
Continuously 6 months, 1 year you have to do same activity. Now you can have. So tell me, आपको कुछ बातें समझ में आई? आंसर आपको दिया गया सारा समझ में आया जी? आप लोग भी कोशिश करो कल देने के आंसर. यस, टेल मी. आंसर है ना बड़ी आसान तरीके से. मैंने इनको कुछ नहीं बताया, अपने से आंसर दिए, इनको जो समझ में आया विद स्टार्ट में. समझ में आया था आंसर? वीडियो बन रही है, आपको दिखाई जाएगी वो ना, आप वहां पे देख लीजिएगा. तो आप भी कोशिश कीजिए 2-4 लाइन में आंसर देने की. जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, जरूरी नहीं कोई बात है आपको बताना है, कुछ भी आप बता सकते हो और आपके माइंड में है. आप जरा बताइए, जो बातें इन्होंने बताई कि आपके माइंड में नहीं चल रही है? चल रही थी ना? समझ में आ रहा सारी बातें? बस आपको करने में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है क्योंकि आप प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा नहीं कर रहे हो. ठीक है, तो आज के क्लास में हम क्या करते हैं, इतना ही रखते हैं. राइट, सी यू मीट टुमारो. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. टेक केयर. प्रैक्टिस मोर. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, द मोर यू गेन. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, द मोर यू बिकम सक्सेस. राइट, गुड. नाउ यू कैन गो. आराम से जाइएगा, देख के जाइएगा सभी लोग. ठीक है, बंद.